If you'd like to see more of our videos, hit the subscribe button to stay on top of the market news. Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMtrading. Today's November 5th, 2020. And today is Thursday morning. So looking at the highlights of the day, we watched the Dow Jones surge above 1,000 points yesterday. And Bitcoin trading above 14,000. Now looking at today's events, I just want to highlight the fact that tomorrow, major economic events coming out of the United States, NFP for the month of October. We're looking at the currencies, and right now we're watching the South African Rand breaking 16. And I might add, finally, okay, this has been in the making for quite some time, teased us a lot. Looking at the Dow Jones and the NASDAQ both exploding, looking at the commodities, gold rallies back above 1,900. While oil pretty much tapers off, looking at the tech stocks surging higher, okay, gapping up and going. And lastly, looking at Bitcoin sustaining that 14,000 level. So let's take a look at the markets and see what we can expect from today's trading. So looking at the Euro USD at a daily chart, we can see we finally hit that low point of 1,600 and just bouncing above it. Now, I do want to highlight the fact that there is no clear winner as to the U.S. elections yet. Okay, it looks like Joe Biden is leading the electoral vote by 264 to 230-ish level for Trump. Okay, those are the two levels that we're talking about. But it's not decisive, and it's going to get ugly. Okay, so I do expect further volatility in the markets as this continues. I'm jumping into the Rand. Okay, you saw that break out at 16. That's a decent break with some volume. Okay, I want to highlight that. Okay, that means that this is a bona fide break. Okay, and we should expect it to hit 1540. Not happen today or tomorrow, but I do expect that resistance to continue. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now, looking at gold, trading back to 1909-ish level. Okay, this does look like a upside down head and shoulder formation. If we look at that, that would be the head. This would be one shoulder. This would be a second shoulder. Okay, and then a breakout on here. So I do expect that to happen. Remember, we do have a resistance-ish level at this 1927-ish level right there. Okay, so just be aware of that as this goes into today. Now, jumping into the Dow Jones, look at this. 27,900. Okay, let's look at a 1 hour chart. Look at that surge yesterday. Unbelievable. Look at the volatility. Unbelievable. Okay, this is massive kind of moves over the past 2 weeks. I mean, there were multiple opportunities to make some money. If it doesn't surge above the 28,100-ish level, it will retrace. And I'm a little bit concerned here because in the United States, riots are starting to break out. Okay, more because I'm concerned, not because of the financial situation, but because there's this social unrest with what's going to actually happen with the presidency. The Democrats are saying that they've taken it. The Republicans are saying some of the ballots that are being submitted are past the date and should not be counted. Okay, so this is going to get ugly. Okay, and this could drag out for months. Okay, now looking at the tech stocks, Apple surging higher to 112, but it's got to sustain itself. Okay, if it doesn't hold this level, I do expect it to break lower. Looking at Facebook, this was a real breakout. Okay, and sustaining itself 285. If you look at Microsoft, also above this 215-ish level and sustaining itself. But what I love about it is that it's trading within its range. Okay, if it does not break this higher, I do expect it to retrace. Now, looking at some of the stocks that were stronger before, Alcoa not coming through for us. Okay, so we're seeing a little bit of divergence here in the prices of the stocks in the US. Now, jumping into Bitcoin, this is going to be the last one. Look at that, 14,367. This social unrest is putting people on edge, and they're not even going to gold, they're going to Bitcoin. So this is really very interesting. This could continue going higher. Now, I am giving a webinar on trading Bitcoin next week, so make sure to the next week or the following, so make sure to attend that webinar. This is Razak. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.